Dumelang le kae? Leina ke morata maredi wa ga Mashiane ka re le tseba ke a lamogela mo channeleng ya ka. Namaste. It's a beautiful day after all. So today I decided to take you guys with me as I make the sweetest smooth. This is part of my limited edition range. I've got a company called Bongs Bunny Juice Bars. So what we do is we sell smoothies currently, and hopefully we are going to be selling freshly squeezed juices like soon. You know, it's in the pipeline, but soon. But yeah, so look on the smoothies Mulberry lelena. Mulberry ba isimba pedi Mulberry ka sekgowa. So if o tseba mhlaro Mulberry o go tuja wa tseba le no re this part of the berry family is the cherry on top. Like what the go bo ralo ka strateng. If for the mhlaro Mulberry next door when they're in season, every day we go vet. How to do kubo? Kafasra boto. Bona. So I'm just gonna take up that childhood memories, bundle it up in a cup of a Bongs Bunny juice bar. So yeah, welcome. And if you're new to the channel, thank you so much for watching. If you're a returning subscriber, I will get hey Lord, video chaka usadi livelela ke leboga support. So yeah, let's just get into it. Fresh from the tree, here we go. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I'm gonna make this movie, and we're good to go. So first, I'm gonna wash these. So this is how I skin my smoothies, and these are like the best, you know. Dance for me, dance for me, dance for me, So, the original recipe, what I do is I put like half a cup of mulberries, 1 banana, and quarter a cup of oat milk. I make like all the time that I make my oat milk for smoothies, I make it really thick. So, quarter a cup of oat milk, and then in that oat milk I'll put in like 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and then 1 teaspoon of cherry. So now I'm actually in a hurry to go to a meeting, so I don't have time to make the oat milk because I make my oat milk out. That's like ratolela Spain because the oat milk every day before, so I don't like it any sugar free. So today I'm feeling like so that's why I usually this instead, and it works well, which is vanilla. So I'll use this instead. Yeah, vanilla, however. But the smoothies that I saw, they don't have berries because I get a lot of clients that are lactose intolerant. Unless you just want an option, you're already doing it. So thank you so much guys for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you'd like to see more recipes of more smoothie recipes, please mention in the comment section below so I would know. So I'll plug you guys up, and yeah, we can just drink our food. We can just drink our fruit. So yeah, have a lovely day guys. See you next time.